Shenzhou RX Machinery Company Limited is located in Jinjiang City, Fujian Province, China. Our cooperative factory-owned plants cover an area of 50,000 square meters, which has more than 16 years' experience on machinery manufacture. They focus on manufacturing disposable hygiene machinery like baby diaper machine, adult diaper machine, sanitary napkin machine, underpad machine, and so on. There are 4 CNC processing machines and 40 other processing machines in total. We have more than 50 employees, equipped with Italy and Japan R&D technology team, professional spare parts processing team, assembly team, and after-service team, adopting famous and reliable spare parts like Mitsubishi, Siemens, SICK, Schneider, NSK, SKF, BST, FIFE, SMC, Omron, and so on. We have built up an upstanding reputation for our machinery with clients all over China as well as more than 30 countries and regions worldwide, including the Middle East, Eastern Europe, Russia, and Southeast Asia. We can support you from market analysis, product design, and machine design, raw materials choose, Chinese machine operator and training, to offer you a turnkey service. Every year we sent more than 100 times technician out all over the world to install the machine or offer service and update the machine for old customers. Our tenet is cooperation, innovation, stability, and efficiency. And we firmly believe in quality first and best service.